Okay, just so you know, I'm not BSing. I'm literally using the sun and not a light because look at my hair. I used this one time. I don't know how often you're supposed to use it. I haven't figured that out yet. I used it one time. I haven't gotten a haircut in 4 weeks. What is in here? I don't know. That's good. That's good stuff though. And this was after I've been out in West Texas wind all day. Well, not all day. I was out for a couple hours running around town. Like, it should be a full-on bird's nest at this point. Not this wonderfulness.